Hey everybody! So we're working on telling time this week to the hour only. We've learned about the analog clock and digital clock time. So today what I'm going to do is give you a time. I'm going to show you on my analog clock, and you're going to need to write the digital time. So if you have a whiteboard at home, go ahead and grab that now. If you don't, you need a piece of paper, like use your math journal, and you're going to write the times there as we go. Okay, so press pause and go get the supplies that you need, either a whiteboard or your math journal and something to write with. Okay, so I'm going to build a time here on my analog clock, and I want you to write the time digitally on your paper or whiteboard. Here we go. Okay, write this time in digital time. If you need more time, press pause. Okay, on your digital clock, you should have written what? The hour hand is pointing at 2. So on the hour side of my digital clock, I should have written 2, and then my colon. And how many minutes? 0, because we're pointing straight up at 12, so 0, 0. You should have written 2 o'clock in digital time. How'd you do? Thumbs up, thumbs down? All right, next time. Show this time on your digital clock. All right, the hour hand is pointing to the 4, and your minute hand is pointing straight up at 12, and we know when the minute hand is pointing straight up at 12, that just stands for 0, 0. So your time should have been 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Did you do good? Let's do another one. Okay. Write this time digitally. My clock shows 6 o'clock. Okay? Because your hour hand is pointing straight down at 6, and the minute hand is pointing straight up. So when minutes point straight up, it's just 0, 0, 6 o'clock. We don't say it's 6, 0, 0 though. We say, remember, o'clock for the 0, 0 part. Okay, let's do 2 more. What time is on my clock? Write it digitally. My hour hand is pointing at the 8, so I know it's 8. And my minute hand is pointing straight up at 12. That stands for o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. Last one. Write the time on my clock digitally. Digitally. It's a hard time saying that word. My hour hand is pointing at 11. My minute hand is pointing straight up. So it is 11 o'clock. So remember, this is the digital time and this is the analog time. See you next time.